So guys, meron nagtanong, sabi niya, Coach, paano po ba pala kasi yung left hand? Or yung sinasabi niya siguro, yung weak hand niya. Kasi yung iba is left-handed, so yung weak hand nila or yung off-arm nila is right hand. Kung right hand ka naman, yung weak hand mo is left arm. So gawin nyo itong drills na to para mag-improve yung weak hand nyo. So yung first drill natin is a figure of B, then side dribble. So, the next drill natin is a wrap between. Then after nito, so reverse. And then yung next drill natin is a figure of B, then between the legs. So figure of B, between the legs. And then yung next drill natin is a lunges, then dribble side to side. So naka-lunges position kayo. Yan. And then dribble side to side. And yung last drill natin is a in and out, then figure of B. In and out, figure of B. In and out. In and out, figure of B. In and out. Then gawin nyo yun for about 30 seconds sa weak hand nyo. And 3 sets. And yun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. And thank you. Stop mo na. Yo. Gawin mo tong 5 drill na to kung gusto mo mag-improve yung weak hand mo.